Good morning, students. It's me, Dakshina. I'm here with my next video, and we will discuss some questions today. And the question is: Human being is coexistence of the self and the body. Elaborate on this statement. Or human being is the coexistence of the self and the body. Explain this statement, taking yourself as an example. Answer is the human being is the coexistence of I and the body, and there is exchange of information between the two. I and body exist together and are related. There is a flow of information from I to the body and from body to the I. We can make this distinction between the self and the body in three ways in terms of the needs, activities, and the types of these two entities. All the needs of I, say respect, trust, etc., can be called as happiness. Such, while the needs of body are physical facilities, suvidha, like food, the two things are qualitatively different. There is no relevance of quantity for the needs of I as it is qualitative, while the needs of body are quantitative and they are limited in quantity. The activities of I are activities like desire, thinking, selection, while the activities of body are activities like eating, breathing, etc. The mode of interaction of I includes knowing, assuming, recognizing, and fulfillment. The fulfillment depends on recognition, depends on assumption, and assumptions depends on knowing or not knowing beliefs. If assuming is based on the knowledge, then recognition will be correct and fulfillment will be correct. If assuming is not based on knowledge, then things may go wrong. The mode of interaction of body is only recognizing and fulfilling. Self is a conscious entity and the body is material entity or physic chemical in nature. Thus, we can say human being is equal to self and coexistence with body, need happiness, body, physical facilities, fulfilled by right understanding and right feelings, and physiochemical things, activities, desire, thought, expectations, and body, eating and walking, knowing, assuming, recognizing, fulfilling, consciousness or material. To conclude, we can say that the human being can be understood in terms of coexistence of two entirely distinct entities, namely sentiment I and material body. Their needs and activities are quite different and have to be understood accordingly. But these two constituents of human being are to act in close synergy with each other.